Hi, in the last video we studied about best practice for deploying Liferay productions, and in this video we will study about Liferay security. Securing Liferay involves implementing measures to protect the portal and its resource from unauthorized access and security threats, such as authentication mechanism, encryption, role-based access control, and regular updates. So let's discuss agenda. The agenda of this video is to securing Liferay. First we will see what is authentication and authorizations. Moving forward, we will shift our focus to the network security, application security, and then we will shift our focus to the additional security measures. So now we talk about authentication. User authentication using Liferay built in a sign-in mechanism, often with a username and password credentials, providing a standard authentication process for accessing portal resource. Liferay integrate with LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol system, enable centralized authentications and user management, enhance security and simplifying user access across the organizations. Liferay supports SAML, Security Assertion Markup Language. It's facilitating single sign-on access for authentication across multiple applications and domains, streamlining user access and enhance security protocols. Liferay integrate with OpenID Connect, a widely used to the authentication protocol to provide a secure and convenient authentication experience, enable user to log in user their exist account from identity provider such as a Google, Microsoft, and Liferay support Auth 2.0, a protocol for authentication authorized allow third-party applications to access Liferay resource on behalf of users securely, enhancing interoperability and enable seamless integration with the external services. Now we discuss about authorization. Liferay implement RBAC, allowing administration to define role and permissions for user based on their responsibility and privileges, ensure fine-grained access control to the portal resource and functionalities. Liferay enable administrator to create custom roles, assigning specific permission to user based on their roles, facilitating efficient management of access rights and ensuring security compliance with the portal environment. Liferay offers granular control over permission, allowing administrator to define access rights at the individual level for users and roles, ensuring secure and tolerant access to portal resource based on organizations' need and users' roles. Now, I am going to talk about additional security measures. Liferay provides robust audit login capability, enable administrator to track, monitor user activities, authentication event, and system change for compliance, forensic analysis, and security in instant response, enhancing overall security posture and regulatory compliance. Liferay offer a variety for security plugins, extensions that enhance the platform's security capabilities include antivirus, integration firewall protection, and malware detection, providing additional layer defense against cyber threats and vulnerability. Liferay administrators should routinely access, assess, and update security configurations, include user permission, authentication mechanism, and access control to adapt to involving threats and maintain a robust defense posture, ensuring ongoing protection of portal resource and sensitive data. Now we discuss about network security. Liferay recommended enables HTTP hypertext hypertransfer protocol secure to encrypt the data transmitted between client and the server, safeguarding against in eavesdropping, data tampering, and man-in-middle attacks, ensuring the confidently and integrity of communication over the network. Liferay allows administrators to implement IP restrictions limiting access the portal based on specific IP address or range, bolstering network security by preventing unauthorized access from unknown or sufficient resource and mitigating potential threats such as a denial of service attacks. Liferay support integrate with the firewalls to enforce network security policies, monitor incoming and outgoing traffic, and blocks malicious or unauthorized access attempt, providing an essential defense mechanism against cyber threats and unauthorized access to the portal resource. Now we talk about application security. Regularly update Liferay software plugins and dependency to patch security vulnerabilities, address software bugs, and ensure the latest security features are in a place, reducing the risk of explorations and enhancing overall application security. Identify and disable and use the unnecessary features, modules, or plugins within the library to reduce the attack surface and minimize the potential impact or vulnerability, strength the overall security posture of the applications. Implement secure live files upload and download mechanism within the library to prevent malicious file upload, unforced file size and type restrictions, and sanitize user input to mitigate the risk or file-based attack, ensuring the integrate and safely or data transactions with the applications. Conduct regular vulnerabilities scan of live environment using automated scanning tools or services to remediate potential security weakness, proactivity, strength, defense, and reducing the risk of explorations by malicious actors. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.